Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Funmi and today we are going to be making body mists. I'll be showing you the different ingredients that we use to make these body mists, as well as the step-by-step on what you need to do to make these amazing body mists. The different ingredients that I use will be linked in the description, so you can check them out if you want to see the ingredients. Also, you can check out the body mist on my Etsy shop. It's called Lovelies Beauty. The link will be in the description, so you can check it out and you can get yourself one of the body mists from the Etsy shop. Also, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first thing that we're going to need is our measuring scale. We just want to make sure that everything is properly measured, and this is going to help us to measure the accurate ingredients that we're going to be using. And next we have distilled water. This is one of the main ingredients that we're going to be using to make our body mist. So the next ingredient we'll be adding is the vegetable glycerin. This is just going to help to make our body mist even more moisturizing because it helps to attract and retain moisture. The next ingredient we'll be adding is our lavender floral water, also known as lavender hydrosol. This just helps to soothe and calm the skin and acts as a natural toner and cleanser. Next we'll be adding polysorbate 20. This is a solubilizer which is going to help our oils and waters to combine properly since they don't naturally mix together. Next, we are going to be adding phenoxyethanol. This is a broad spectrum preservative that's just going to help to improve the shelf life of our body mist. Next, we have our fragrance oil. So we'll be using the pineapple fragrance oil, which we'll be using in our mist. Next, we have our jar and a mixer, which we'll be using to combine all our ingredients. So firstly, we're going to start by filling our jar with our distilled water. So we won't be adding too much just because we're using just one container. So just a little is what we're going to be using. Next, we're going to be adding our vegetable glycerin. This is just going to help to make our mist moisturizing. We won't be using too much, just a bit in contrast to the level of water. And then we're just going to briefly stir our ingredients together. And next, we'll be adding our floral water into our body mist mixture. Now we're going to add our fragrance oil into our mixture. And we're just going to mix it up to combine. And now we're going to add our solubilizer, polysorbate 20, which is just going to help our oils and water to mix together properly. And now we're going to stir through to properly combine everything together. So now we'll be adding our preservative. We're just going to be using a few drops. We don't need too much. So just so we don't overpower the mixture, just gonna add that into our mixture and then we'll combine everything together. Now we're gonna add our body mist into our containers. We're just gonna fill up our containers, and this is gonna make up a 100 ml container. And now we're just going to cover up the container with the cover. And now our body mist is ready to use. So this is what it looks like now that it's all finished. It smells amazing and looks amazing. So now we're just going to test out the body mist. I'm just going to spray a few pumps on my skin just so that you can see how it applies on the skin and how it looks and how it feels on the skin. So now I'm just applying it. It smells really good. It's really nourishing, really hydrates, and it's great for the skin. It smells really refreshing and I'm really enjoying using the body mist. And it also feels really great on the skin. So remember, you can get this body mist on my Etsy shop. It's called Lovelies Beauty. The link will be in the description, so please check it out. You can get yourself one of the body mists and I'm sure you're going to love them. Also, you can follow my skincare brand on Instagram. It's at Lovelies Beauty. I post a lot more content on there, and you can also follow us on TikTok as well at Lovelies Beauty. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. I hope you learned a few things from this video, and maybe you can try making your own body mist. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.